down and click on next, and we see we have a whole list of conditions that will fit into the rule. So let's go and create a few of check on a few of the conditions. Let's say we will send this read receipt will go to well, let's just call it specific words in the body. Okay, and we see down, once we click on that, we have a condition for the rule. Apply this rule after I send a message with specific words in the body. Now, specific words is underlined, but there are no specific words set. So what we want to do is set those specific words that it will look for in the email, and the program will know to send the read receipt. So let's go ahead and create a word. Let's call it we'll call it marketing. Anything with the word marketing in the email, or in the body of the email, that will get our read receipt. So we're going to add that to the list, and we'll hit OK. And when we click on next, we see that we have the option to check notify me when it is read, and that's basically our read receipt option. So now what we've done is we checked two things. One, we've created a rule that says any email with the word marketing in the body is I'm going to receive a notification when it is read. And then I'll go ahead and click next. Now on this menu we get to check off exceptions. In other words, at first we check the conditions. Now these are the exceptions that will rule out the exclusions from the rule that we just created. I'm not going to put any exceptions right now, so any email with the word marketing in it will be told to send me a read receipt or a notification. And I'll click on next, and the name for this rule, I'll just keep it as marketing. And I turned on the rule, so it's going to become active right away. And then I just hit finished, and that's it. I have my rule here. We see it's listed here, the marketing rule. And basically what this rule is that it's going to take any email with the word marketing in the body. It's going to notify me when it is read. And that's how we create our rule to send specific emails with a read receipt.